Did you know that? Poorly implemented job evaluation will cost your company more than you would expect. Employees could quit based on unfair results. False or misleading information can have an impact on the review. Resources, including time and money, are wasted. On the other hand, did you know that job evaluation as a process can benefit your company in a variety of ways? Only if you know how to do the best job evaluation. The question is how. Hi there. This is Tusa. I will be taking you through the topic of today, the 3 critical elements for the best job evaluation. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I provide qualified workplace guidance to improve your contribution to organizational success. 3 critical elements for the best job evaluation. It is not easy to assess the importance of one job's contribution to another. In this session, I provide you, as the job evaluator, with a framework for comprehensive judgment in order to produce acceptable evaluation results. Sit back, relax, and watch the entire video to ensure you don't miss any important portions of this instruction as we go over the 3 essential job evaluation elements that apply to all jobs. Before we dive deep into the 3 critical elements for the best job evaluation. What is job evaluation? What are the benefits of job evaluation? Job evaluation is the systematic process of determining the value of one job in comparison to another in the organization. What are the benefits of job evaluation? Job evaluation as a process benefits a company in a variety of ways. Salary structure inequalities are being reduced. Specialization can be easily determined. You can provide training updates. Job evaluation helps in the selection of employees. Employees and managers have a harmonious relationship. These are just some of the benefits of conducting job evaluation. Yes, it is feasible to rank jobs by comparing entire occupations against each other based on some definition of job content. When the nature of the jobs varies significantly, and the jobs themselves change over time, ranking entire jobs as a basis for a pay structure becomes increasingly challenging. How do you deal with this difficult circumstance as a job evaluator? Note this. In the end, evaluation outcomes cannot be said to be right, but they should be acceptable. The 3 elements of job evaluation that you will be guided through, in this session, will result in a job size evaluation that is acceptable. In order for you to apply the 3 elements logically that I'm about to reveal to you, here are the ground rules for defining the job for evaluation purposes. 1. Evaluate the job, not the person who holds it. 2. Evaluate the job by picturing it as it would be done at a fully acceptable level of performance. 3. Evaluate the job as it is now, not as it was, or will be in the future. Using these mentioned ground rules, it is now possible to compare jobs in terms of some definition of job content and establish a logical sequence. Here are the 3 basic elements of job evaluation that are common to all jobs that will help you produce acceptable job size evaluations. The 3 elements are: 1. Know-how. 2. Problem solving. 3. Accountability. The 3 elements, know-how, problem solving and accountability, each have their own guide chart and each has sub-elements which we will detail in the next video. Now, let's take a brief look at these 3 elements. Know-how. What do we mean by know-how in a practical sense? To perform a standard job acceptance, we have to consider all the knowledge plus skills, plus experience required for that job. That is what is meant by know-how. Know-how can further be broken down into 3 sub-elements, which you as a manager or supervisor must fully understand, and the 3 sub-elements of know-how are: 1. Technical know-how, and these are practical skills and procedures, and specialized techniques. 2. Planning, organizing, and controlling know-how. 3. Understanding human relations needs. Problem solving. The act of defining a problem, and determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternatives for a solution, and implementing a solution is known as problem solving. Problem solving is concerned with the requirements for thinking in addressing and solving problems through the use of know-how. This is possible by understanding the two elements of problem solving, thinking environment and thinking challenge. These two elements will be explained in more details in the next tutorial. For you not to miss tutorials like this one you're watching now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Let's move on to the next element of the best job evaluation. Accountability. Accountability entails taking responsibility for one's actions and the consequences of those actions. In other words, it is the job's measurable impact on the end results. Accountability has three dimensions. 1. Freedom to act in taking action. 2. Impact. To evaluate the impact of a job, return to the purpose of the job and ask this critical question. What is the part of the business that this job is designed to impact upon? 3. Magnitude. The critical question to answer, in assessing magnitude is, what part of the business does the job affect? For example, salary and wage expenditure is a reasonable measure of magnitude for a human resource management position. Those are the three critical elements for the best job evaluation. Put them into action for best results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of every new video. Thank you for taking time to know the three critical elements for the best job evaluation. Let's meet again in the next video.